G'day everyone, and welcome back to the third episode of our Cobb tuning car here at Coore. We are installing Paragon rotors today on our Subaru WX STI VA Final Edition. Something pretty cool and something you should really consider if you're getting quite heavy into your track days. I'm here installing with Tomo. Let's get to it. Today we are installing a two-piece rotor from Paragon, something that's 100% made for the track. It's a huge improvement on the OEM spec rotor we've got. They're 340mm in terms of diameter. And it's a night and day difference. Luckily for us, we have probably one of the best mechanics in the whole of Australia. His name's Tomo, and he's amazing.
Wouldn't say that. He's all right, he's average. Average Joe.
So let's get the old rotors off and put the new ones on. Let's do it. Tomo, you said this was going to be easy. Look at that. So many kilometers driven. You can still see the texture mark. So Tomo, why would anyone install upgraded rotors?
Better braking performance. It's the only reason. Cooling. They do cool a lot better than your standard rotors, and they will take a lot more heat than your standard rotors. Definitely a good upgrade if you're going to track it.
So I just want to clear the air real quick when it comes to upgrading your performance rotor on any type of car. In the case of Paragon or maybe something like an Paragon rotor, there are directional arrows and they are meant to spin in a certain direction. There's traditionally a lot of information out there. If you don't know, go online or look at the arrow that's on the rotor itself. And that arrow means the rotor should spin in that direction. Why do I bring this up? Well, because apparently it's become widespread that people are installing rotors on the wrong way or backwards or on either the wrong side of the car, which is becoming a bit of a problem. The slots that you see within the rotor itself is designed to suck air out of the rotor, dispersing heat as it spins around the brake caliper. And did I get that right, Tomo?
Yes. Yes, it throws the air out of the rotor, the hot air.
You heard it here first. So the one thing I will say about these Paragon two-piece rotor kits is they actually come in with a general bed-in procedure. Bedding in brakes is something that you have to do. You don't need to be a mechanic to figure it out. If you follow these instructions, they're pretty good. Nice car. So look, if you're genuinely curious about upgrading your brake rotors, or perhaps your track days are becoming a little bit more heavy and you're enjoying a little bit too much, seriously consider brakes. And here at Coore, we're based in the central coast of Australia. We can get brake rotors all across the nation. We stock them all here, Paragon and Paragon. So if you actually want a really good, decent set of two-piece rotors, I promise you they make all the difference. Give us a shout. Go to www.coore.com.au.